Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Kadhai. In winters, we all crave for garma garam crispy tea time snack which you can actually have along with that hot steaming cup of tea. So friends, today we are making very crispy, very yummy bread aloo tikki. These tikkis are super delicious, very crispy from outside and with a nice stuffing inside. So let's quickly see how to prepare it. So firstly, we'll heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Then we'll splutter 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. After that, we'll add peas. In goes half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri Degi Mirch. Also we'll add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Here goes half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder or the jeera powder. And then we have added half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Now we need to roast all the spices with peas. Along with it, we'll add boiled and chopped potatoes. This is the masala which we are preparing. So combine everything well and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame until the potatoes become meshy. I have used 5 to 6 boiled potatoes here. One can even mash the potatoes like this. Also in goes half a teaspoon of coriander powder or the dhania powder. To make this mixture more masaledar, I am adding amchur powder or the dry mango powder, and there goes half a cup of fresh coriander. You can even add green chilies if you want. However, I am making this for my kids, so I am not adding green chilies here. Just combine everything well and we'll cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. So friends, our masala is ready. We'll allow it to cool down completely. Next, we need to prepare slurry. For this, I'll take 1 tablespoon full of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Into this, we'll add chili flakes, half a teaspoon of salt. Now we'll gradually add water and we'll prepare a thin slurry. So friends, here is our slurry ready. We'll keep it aside. Now friends, we have kept all our things ready. We have brown bread slices, the masala, slurry and water. Let's prepare bread tikki. For this, we'll dip a bread slice in water. We'll squeeze out excess water from bread. We'll take the masala which we have prepared. Add the masala in the center, and just like we prepare bread rolls, we need to prepare this roll. Just press it like this to prepare ball so that the stuffing is completely enclosed. So roll it like this. Neaten out the edges and gently flatten it up to give the shape of a tikki. So this is how we'll prepare bread aloo tikki. Just smoothen out the edges, make it as fine as possible, and that's it. Likewise, we'll prepare all of the bread tikki rolls. So friends, I have prepared all my bread aloo tikki. Now we'll keep it in refrigerator at least for 10 minutes before shallow frying. So this is a general tip for all the cutlets, the tikki which you prepare at home. Always keep it in refrigerator at least for 10 minutes. This will ensure that the tikki or the cutlets do not absorb more oil, and also the shape will remain intact. It will not burst while frying or shallow frying. So friends, it's been 10 minutes and now it's time to shallow fry our bread aloo tikki. So for shallow frying, I've already kept oil for heating. Now what we'll do is, next we'll take this one bread tikki. So this is our slurry ready. We'll dip this bread tikki in the slurry and we'll coat it nicely. And after coating, we'll dip it in oil. Ensure to keep the flame on medium side. Similarly, we'll place the other tikki. First we'll coat it completely with the slurry and then we'll shallow fry it. Friends, I will sprinkle little sesame seeds on the top just to make our bread aloo tikki more attractive. We'll press it gently. Once the tikkis are cooked from one side, then we'll flip it over. So be very careful while flipping it. You can already see that the tikkis have come out so crispy, so crunchy. This is a perfect evening snack, especially during chilly winter evenings when you want to have something hot along with chai. So friends, let's check it out if tikkis are done from both the sides. I want my tikkis to become more crispy, so I will continue to shallow fry it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Just look at this one. Wow. These tikkis are so tempting. Friends, our tikkis are done. So let's carefully remove it from the pan and I've kept it on a kitchen towel. Wow, just look at these. Don't you feel like eating it right away? Friends, just have a closer look at this bread aloo tikki. So tempting, so crispy, and here it goes. So I will carefully remove all the tikkis. So friends, our hot crispy bread tikkis are ready to serve. These are so delicious. These bread tikki goes perfect with a hot cup of tea. So friends, just look at this. Isn't it looking so tempting? You cannot resist these hot crispy bread aloo tikki. Let me also cut a piece for you and show you the inside of this bread aloo tikki. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? Lovely stuffing of potato peas inside and crispy bread outside. This is a perfect tea time snack. You have to try it once. So friends, what are you waiting for? Do give it a try. Let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.